Have you noticed feeling more stiff or achy in the morning? Maybe you're having trouble doing daily tasks that used to seem simple, like climbing stairs or carrying groceries, or even just getting up out of a chair. This is something I hear often from my students in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond. And today I'm going to share with you one simple exercise that works multiple muscle groups, including your legs, your core, your shoulders, your upper body. And all you need is a sturdy chair and a set of light to medium dumbbells. This exercise takes about 5 minutes a day, and trust me, you're going to feel so much better when you start incorporating this into your fitness routine. All right, let's dive in. Okay, for this exercise, we're going to start seated in our chair. Grab your set of light to medium dumbbells. For reference today, I'm using a set of 3-pound weights. If you don't have weights at home, it's all good. Grab a weighted object like a couple water bottles or some soup cans. We're going to bring the weights up to shoulder height, draw the elbows in, engage your core to protect your low back, and find that tall posture. We're going to press into the heels, lift up, and then press overhead. Lower the weights down and then have a seat in the chair, nice and slow. We're shooting for 12 to 15 reps. Breathe through this, be in control of your breath and your body. And take your time. You might be going faster or slower than me. What's important is you listen to your body, nice and slow and in control. This move is one of my favorite moves, especially when I'm working with my students. It really does activate all the muscles in your body, or nearly all the muscles in your body. So we're working our glutes, our core, our calf muscles, our upper body, everything. Find that challenge here. Nice job, everyone. Give me about 2 more. You might be getting tired. Don't lose integrity of these exercises. Finish out for your last one. Nice. And then we can set those weights safely down by the sides. We're going to take a short break, and then we're going to repeat that one more time. So take a moment here, extend your arms, and just give yourself some arm swings. We're going to open and close, a little Hagasana here. Opening and closing through the chest. Of course, if you're enjoying this video and want more workouts like this, I would love to connect with you. Please subscribe to my weekly wellness newsletter, where I share all sorts of tips and tools to keep you healthy and keep you on track in your health journey. Nice job. We'll release that, and we're going to go one more round. So here we go. Take the weights. We're going to bring them up to shoulder height. Press evenly into the feet. All right, lift up, engaging the core, lift the arms overhead, lower down. That's 1 rep. Notice no plopping in that chair, so keep that when you go to sit. See if you can go nice and slow here. If it's too much with the weights, so especially if second round you're like really tired here, you can certainly just set the weights down and just use your body weight. Great job, folks. You showed up. That's the hardest part. A lot of times you're here. We're going to stick it out together. You've got this, and together we've got this. Give me 2 more. Take your time, finish out last one, best one. Ooh, great job, so proud of you. Take a moment, give your hands a little self-massage here. Especially me, I get a little tight in the hands whenever I use the dumbbells, so go ahead. yourself a little massage in the wrists and the hands. Maybe crack your knuckles if you need to. Sweet. So you're gonna try to do that exercise 3 times a week, and trust me, you will certainly notice a difference in your strength, your balance, your mobility with just that simple exercise. And that's it. Just one simple exercise works multiple muscle groups, and it builds real life strength, especially after 50. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe if you did. And if you want to stay connected, go ahead and sign up for my weekly wellness newsletter where I share health tips and tools to support you in your health journey. If you want to keep this momentum going, check out this video next. It's a 10-minute Tai Chi inspired workout to help you build real strength, burn calories, and help with your balance. I'll see you in the next video.